Next one is beams. Beams are horizontal structural member and it is predominant in flexure. Beams are also called as a flexural member. Though beams are flexural member, it is having additional forces like shear force and torsion. So these three are the major forces which will develop in beams when the application of load. When the load is applied on the beam, it tend to deform and beam shall have the capacity to resist the deformation under bending moment. Next one is shear force. Shear force is the force that tend to produce a sliding failure on a material along a plane that is parallel to the direction of force. So in order to resist the bending moment, we provide longitudinal reinforcement, and in order to resist the shear force, we provide shear reinforcement. So that is provided in the form of stirrups to hold the longitudinal reinforcement as well as to resist the shear force. Next, coming to torsion, when the load acts away from the plane of bending, will induce torsional moment along with bending moment and shear force. When the load is not acting at the centroidal longitudinal axis of the beam, that means the load is acting at some distance from the centroid axis of the beam, then it would try to twist the beam about its transverse axis. So in this way we get torsion effect in beams. Next one is types of beam. Based on reinforcement, we will be having singly reinforced beam as well as doubly reinforced beam. In singly reinforced beam, the reinforcement is only provided at bottom. In doubly reinforced beam, the reinforcement is provided at bottom as well as top. In beams, we will be having tension zone at bottom and compression zone at top. So though it is a singly reinforced beam, we provide minimum number of bars at top, that is in compression zone as well practically. But in doubly reinforced beam, we have to design the top reinforcement bars according to the top moment in the beam. Based on shape, we are having T-beam and I-beam. Based on support, we will be having simply supported beam, continuous beam and cantilever beam, fixed beam, overhanging beam. So these are all the types of beam.